What's up, guys? In today's video, I am going to show you how to request a Facebook page merge. First, open your browser and go to facebook.com. Sign in to your account, then switch to the Facebook page that you want to merge. To do that, click your profile picture, select See All Profiles, and choose your page. Once you're on the page, click your profile picture again, then go to Settings and Privacy, followed by Settings. Next, scroll down and open Page Setup. If you don't see a Merge Page option, don't worry. Facebook has removed this feature for many accounts. Instead, go back, then select Help Center. Search for Merge to Pages and open the relevant help article. From there, follow Facebook's instruction and use the available option to submit a request if it's offered for your account. And that's it. That's the current way to request a Facebook page merge. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.